Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, subscribe. If you're not new here, thank you for coming back. So, as you can see by the title, we are doing another Boxycharm unboxing. I just got my Boxycharm in the mail, and I was really excited because the tracking said, I didn't check it today, but when I checked it yesterday, it said it was going to be here Thursday, and it's Wednesday, so whenever you're in a pissy mood and something like that kind of works out magically, it cures a lot of problems. Not really. I just sliced this booger open, but I have not opened it yet, so we're doing it together. Before we get started, I gotta tell you, if you follow Boxycharm on Instagram, they always give sneak peeks of what's going on, so I have a very roundabout good idea of everything in the box. This month specifically, they did have an item where it could be one or the other. So there could be an Ofra Z palette. Everything is a Z palette to me, honestly. A empty palette, or there's a 6-pan highlighting palette. And honestly, I have enough highlighters. I hope it's the Ofra in here, but we're gonna open it and either be disappointed or excited together. So without further ado, let's get started. What did I get? Just kidding, I can't even tell. Oh, I did, yeah! Look, I see the Ofra logo in here. Okay, so I'm just gonna sit this down. Now that I'm happy, now that it's like a good day, we're gonna pull these things out one by one. First of all, we have a crown brush set. Hold on. Okay. Cue the ruffling. So, we have a crown brush set. These look so similar to the Wet n Wild brushes. You know, the ones that you can find at like most drugstores. I'm just gonna pull one of them out real quick. They're very soft. They're synthetic brushes, you can tell, but it's a white brush. I like, let's see, there was a crown brush in either last month or the month before. I like that these guys have these little indentations on the brush, so it's like the ergonomic. Oh, that's gonna be a good little setting brush. I don't know what it is, but I'm so infatuated with small brushes lately. Like, I'm not a fan of like super giant bronzer brushes or things like that. I'd rather use something that's smaller for more precise control. But I like these. These are cute. So there's a flat shader brush in here. It looks like a powder brush and then a small multi-purpose brush. So that's exciting. And this is something that in the sneak peeks online, this is something I was aware that was coming. I'm sorry, I'm sneak peeking at the rest of what's in the box. Secondly was the, this is something I'm excited about. So this is by Cover FX. This is the Shimmer Veil in the shade Amethyst. So Cover FX recently came out with glitter drops as well as the shimmer drops, and see, you can tell it's brand new. You can't tell, but whatever. Did you just see that? What? Do you notice something? The applicator is gone. Okay, so what I'm gonna end up doing is having to pop that plastic top off and dig out the doe foot. We're not swatching that right now, are we? I did pop this open, by the way, so there's two other things in here. One of them is a black pencil, a smoky eye pencil by Vintage Cosmetics. Let's see how this feels. Oh, that's pretty creamy. Very nice. I hate when pencils are like super dry and it makes you not want to touch it. This is Exfo Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator by Pure Cosmetics. I love exfoliators for your lips in this kind of form. Ooh yeah. That's nice and gritty. So this is exciting. Twist up. Plastic exterior. I dig it. I'm really digging this box, y'all. And then, last but certainly not least, this is a twofer, kinda. So this is a pan of a blush in the shade Blush Winter Rose Glow. There's nothing on the back of this pan. What the fuck? Excuse my language. Blush Winter Rose Glow. Okay, so maybe that's the blush name? I don't know. Très bon. But this booger right here. Here's my card. We'll go through that in a second. This is what I was wanting because I need more space. And I love the way this opens. Look at this. So you have like these angled trapdoors. Which I'm gonna lie, that's weird. It's like something could slide out. See how like the bottom arm comes out? That was, you know, just a smidge of unnecessary in my opinion, but that's okay. And there you go. So there's that. Oh my god, that said plumping, didn't it? I can tell. There is a card. It's a little extra U. It actually says extra glimmer, extra shimmer, extra U. CoverFX. And it's a 20% off coupon for your next purchase on CoverFX.com. And then you have this box is of course called the Galaxy Glow. And it's a really good retail value inside of here. It says the shimmer veil is worth $28. I beg to differ because the usability is fairly fucking limited. I'm gonna have a blast trying to get to that product. So the pencil, nah. So trio brush kit, $30. The pure, $17. But I do like this palette, so I'm pretty excited about that. It does, I'm not even gonna lie, it does seem kind of flimsy, like I can kind of pop it open by barely touching it, just kind of like giving a little extra pressure, which makes me question its quality there. But I'm excited nonetheless because this is what I would prefer over another highlighting palette, because I need another highlighting palette like I need a hole in my head. So I hope you guys like this little unboxing video. I do like this box, and I look forward to playing with some of these goodies. I look forward to when the shimmer veil drops. It's still making me laugh so hardcore. That's hysterical. So I'm curious to hop online and see if anybody else has similar issues, because that's still really funny. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one. Bye!